Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your Windows 11 system. In the first step, go to search bar and simply type device manager. Then simply click here to open it, and then we need to expand sound, video and game controllers. Then right click on it and select properties. Go to drivers tab and select update driver. Make sure your internet connection is enabled. After that, choose this option. The best drivers will be installed. Now close all windows one by one. Again go to search bar and type power cfg.cpl and click here to open it, and then select this option balanced. This will be recommended. After that, close wheel. Again go to search bar and type control panel. Then from the search results, click here to open it. Make sure that from view by should be selected large icons. Then just scroll down and select sound. Click here to open it. On this window, we need to disable and enable these speakers. Enable it. Then we need to select it and select properties. Now go to levels tab. Make sure this will be 100. Then enhancements, so uncheck this option, click on apply and then OK. So close this one. If you're still facing any issue related to this problem, you can send me here screenshot and details of the error message. Then personally I will help you, or I will create a specific video on this error. So simply fill all the information and then click on submit. That's it guys, you're good to go.